Is it the right time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? In this video, we will delve deeper into the SOXL ETF. We previously shared a report on our website on Tuesday, December 12, 2023, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, on StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 3, 2023, our system has identified SOXL as a strong buy candidate with a score of 5.68. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 44.99% since we first listed SOXL as a buy candidate 27 days ago. That's an average return of 1.67% per day since it was identified as a strong buy candidate. In the short term, the ETF is currently in the upper part of a strong rising trend. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction towards the lower part of the trend. If the top trend line at $26.89 is broken, it indicates an even stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected 24.69% change over the next 3 months. This means there is a possibility of a return between -20.15% and 25.82%. In the 12-month trend, there is a projected 46.77% change over the next year. This implies a potential return between -13.17% and 78.25%. This translates to a price range of $23.14 to $47.50 after a year. Our latest update for SOXL shows a positive trend, green day on Tuesday for SOXL. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, December 12, 2023, the SOXL ETF price increased by 2.07%. It went up from $26.11 to $26.65. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. We're eager to see if this upward momentum continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 4.37%, ranging from a low of $25.60 to a high of $26.72. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by an impressive 18.23%, with gains in 6 out of the last 10 days. On the last trading day, the volume decreased by 24 million shares, with a total of 55 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.47 billion. It's important to note that a decline in volume alongside rising prices can signal divergence and potentially indicate upcoming changes in the next few days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached by the ETF was $28.75, while the lowest price was $8.74. Currently, the price is 7.3% or $2.10 below the 52-week high and 92.95% or $351.59 below the all-time high, which occurred on November 26, 2020, when the price reached $378.24. Today, I'll be discussing the identified signals for SOXL. The SOXL ETF is showing promising signs with buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals suggests a general buy signal, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections, there is support from the lines at $23.62 and $20.60. If the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will trigger sell signals. On Monday, October 30, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by an impressive 83.41%. It is likely to continue rising until a new top pivot is found. However, it's important to note that volume fell during the last trading day despite the increase in prices. This divergence between volume and price could be an early warning. Therefore, it's crucial to closely monitor the performance of the ETF. Furthermore, there are some negative signals to consider, which may influence the near short-term development. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. Today, we will explore some interesting signals worth considering in your trading strategy. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently indicating a sell signal. Another signal to pay attention to is the pivots indicator, which generated a buy signal 31 days ago. The Bollinger Bands also provide valuable insights, showing a buy signal just 1 day ago. Additionally, the short-term moving average suggests a buy signal 5 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average aligns with a buy signal 28 days ago. Moreover, the relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 24 days ago. Moving on to the 12-month chart analysis, we observe the following trends. The short moving average recently signaled a sell 6 days ago. In contrast, the long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 21 days ago. Furthermore, the relationship between the short and long moving averages aligns with a buy signal 9 days ago. For more signals and insights, don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. Let's talk about the support levels for the SOXL ETF. Currently, it has support just below today's level at $22.14 and $20.68. When an ETF is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, SOXL will find support just below today's level at $22.14. If that is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $20.68 and $20.60. It's important to consider the risk when trading this ETF. SOXL has average movements during the day in good trading volume, making the risk level medium. In the last day, it moved $1.12 between the high and low, which is equivalent to 4.37%. Over the past week, the ETF has had a daily average volatility of 6.36%. Today, we'll be analyzing some potential day trading levels for SOXL. When it comes to resistance, there's no significant barrier from accumulated volume above. This means that if the right conditions are met, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. If you decide to enter a position, keep an eye on the volume indicators to determine the right time to exit. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $22.14. If this support level holds, it could present a good opportunity to enter the market, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $25.83, which is a decrease of 3.08%. This ETF experiences medium daily movements, resulting in a moderate level of risk. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was found 30 days ago. Is the SOXL ETF a wise investment? The SOXL ETF is showing positive signals and is currently experiencing a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Considering these factors, we believe it is a good choice at its current levels and anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, December 13th, we expect the SOXL ETF to open with a decrease of $0.327 and start trading at $26.32. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. What is your target for the ETF? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. We hope you have a successful trading experience and a wonderful day. Best regards from all of us at Stock Invest.